Hey there folks, welcome back to the homestead. It is gonna be about 103 degrees here today and the potatoes no likey, so I'm gonna go dig them up. Here they are. They're looking a little droopy. They've definitely seen better days. First thing I'm gonna do is cut the tops off all these and throw them in the compost. Now the plan is to just lay this tarp down, and if I can, I'm just gonna dump the whole barrel onto the tarp, and then be able to save all that soil to use again. Too. Try to keep those separate. Okay. So I think I planted probably 4 or 5 seed potatoes in here. So hopefully we get more than 4 or 5 new potatoes. This is the fun part. Alright, so here's the potato haul for today. It's from planting of about 4 or 5 seed potatoes. As you can see, it's a net positive, but it's still not nearly as much as I was hoping for. I definitely left these in the ground way too long because there were quite a few rotten potatoes in there. But this is a learning experience for me. It's my first time growing potatoes, so I'm not going to be too bummed out about it. I'm sure they're all going to be delicious too. And yeah, I'll be able to do better next time. Luckily, here in southern Arizona, we have 2 seasons for potatoes. So I'm going to be able to plant these again in probably September through October for harvest in the winter. So I'm looking forward to that. Hopefully I have a better haul next time.